Yo, it's Thomas Anthony from FinishBetterMusic.com, and today I'm going to be going over all the sounds and MIDI files in our new Deep House sample pack. This pack is jammed full of awesome Deep House samples from my new single, I Believe, which was released on Nora and Pure's label, Enormous Tunes. You can download the pack in the description of the video below. Alright, let's get into it, baby. Okay, this is the project from my latest song, I Believe, and I'm very happy to say that it was released on Enormous Tunes, which is Nora and Pure's label, or at least one of her labels, and there's so many badasses on here, like Nora and Pure, Sons of Maria, Me and My Toothbrush, just to name a few, and I'll just play through quickly the most interesting bits of the song, and then, because in future videos I'm going to be doing a full project breakdown, and I will also be talking about some of the bass layers, but I just want to give you a good run through of the song, and then I'll go through the sample pack so that you can hear the sounds that are being used in the song. So basically the song starts off, nice little vocal, has some pads, then the drums come in. If you want to listen to the song, there's a link down below for my SoundCloud to the Spotify link to the song. A little build up.
I believe in love.
Then the drums come in along with the verse again. And then a final little melody for this third section. And then on the second drop, I started it off with a melody.
I believe in love.
So what I've included in the sample pack is the bass MIDI, which you can find right here, which there will be a link also to how I layered this bass. I'm going to do a video on how I layered that bass next week. And then I also have the melody for the piano that you can download. It's in A minor, but you can download it and transpose it into whatever key you want. And I also have the piano chords that we wrote with the song. So in here, in my piano section, you can see you can download this MIDI file as well. Along with that, we also have like this nice little atmosphere for the background that I had in the song. The bass side chained, the bass unside chained, clap. It's a really cool swell I made, the crash, hat loop, a simplified hat loop, the kick in A, the melody, the main perk loop that I use, piano, the pluck loop, little reverse, riser, string loop that you can put in your songs. This is a tonal riser that gets bigger over towards the end, a vocal swell, and a vocal texture. So use these samples, put them in your own projects. I'd love to hear about them. Send me an Instagram message at It's Tom Anthony and send me the tunes that you make with this. And if you'd like to learn how to mix down a full track, we've made a free mixing and mastering bootcamp, and the goal is to help you to produce incredibly clean sounding mixes using only stock plugins. And this course, in the Mixdown course, you'll learn how and when to use the right plugins and effects, why developing a mixing plan is critically important, the power of gain staging, how to process the individual channels and the group channels, and how to get a tight and controlled low end, and finally our mastering chain, so for clear and powerful masters. So once you get access to the course, then you can just download our mastering chain. Again, it's 100% free. We wanted to make this to give value to like up and coming producers, to show you basically how to mix using stock plugins. And you can use this course whether you're making deep house, tech house, bass house. All the principles still apply, and you can use it in any DAW, so it doesn't really matter if you're using Logic, FL, or Ableton. You can apply these techniques to any DAW. Now, we do teach also in our advanced mentoring program the whole step-by-step process for like creating, mixing, and mastering a song. And we made this program because like we saw that there was a big gap within songwriting. There wasn't really people teaching how to create a song that's interesting from start to finish. Sure, there are teachers programs out there that teach you how to like all the what effects to use and how to mix things and things like that, but no one was actually talking about how to create a song that's interesting from start to finish from producers who are signing music to pretty big labels and still consistently pumping out quality music. So if that's something you're interested in, you can head on over to FinishBetterMusic.com and just click our program, and it's the music mentoring program. You can find out what it's all about over here. There's just tons of information of exactly what the whole program entails. And if you choose that you want to apply to the program, you want us to help you out, we go through the whole mixing and mastering process using advanced techniques and plugins. And then we also give you one-to-one feedback of exactly how to fix problems in your mix, how to mix things down, how to make your song more interesting, and really, really guide you step by step throughout the whole creation process. So click apply now if that's interesting to you, and you can just fill out this form, and this will give us all the information we need to set up a one-on-one Zoom call where we'll chat with you for an hour. And during that free session, we'll provide you personalized feedback on one of your songs. We'll analyze your music production methods and define any areas that need improvement. We'll answer any questions about your music production or the mentoring program, and we'll provide you with a custom blueprint to help you finish better music. So whether we decide to work together or not, you'll still know the exact steps that you need to know before or after to move on and to improve with your music. So again, that's over at FinishBetterMusic.com. Just click over in the mentoring program. So yeah, I hope you use these songs or these sounds in your songs. I'd love to hear what you come up with. So send me an Instagram DM. I answer all my DMs. So just hit me up at It's Tom Anthony. Okay, till next week, we are going to be talking about the bass layers. And then a week after that, we'll be talking about I'll be doing a full project breakdown on this song. So make sure you subscribe. Okay, till next time. Peace.
So before joining the mentoring program, I was, making music. I was releasing on SoundCloud, Spotify. I was doing everything on my own. I gained all my knowledge through reading books and, using YouTube and, trial and error. I wasn't surrounded with many musically inclined individuals. One day I was going through YouTube and I ran into Tom's videos, and he had the mentoring program. I filled out the form. I had basic knowledge of, making music, mixing and mastering. Once I joined the program, it was great, man. Like at first, you're skeptical, and then you just go head forward and you invest in yourself, and dude, it was uphill from there. Tom gets into details, man. Like any questions you have, anything that you need to accomplish, you're gonna accomplish it with Tom, man. You're not gonna get it nowhere else.